Good morning or good afternoon. Wanda DiPaolo here, coming to you from my home office. Today, guys, I'm really fired up. I just came from a viral convention um, with my friends around the world. You know, we're on a mission to enhance the lives of others by helping others reach their goals. And that really fires me up, you know. How many of you out there brush your teeth, uh, wash your hair, wash your clothes? How many of you ladies wear makeup? Um, how many of you out there have pets? How many of you are into weight loss, weight supplements? How many of you out there use deodorant? Well, I want to show you guys a safer, better quality product, right? Instead of harming yourself, because you guys are all out there shopping for these items every single day and you're not realizing how much harm they're causing you. So all I want to share with you guys is a better way, just to switch stores to a better non-toxic product that's natural, that's better for you and your family. So I learned so much this weekend, you know. So my mission here is to go out there and see how many people I can help, how many lives I can change. And you know what? Starting with myself, you know, I eco-friendly my house. I love that. I know that the products that I use that are not only safe for me, right, but they're safe for my family. All our products, right, have no child safety cap because you don't need it. Everything is all natural. So if your pets drank out of the toilet by accident, they wouldn't die. If your children, right, got into your cleaning products by chance and they got into them and they drank them, they wouldn't die. That's just one of the great benefits about using our products. That really fires me up. Also, the new line of the makeup, fabulous line, ladies. Absolutely love it. Feels like you're wearing nothing. It's natural. And guys, I am just so fired up about, you know, the leadership, you know, everything that's going on. Why not you, right? Why not now? Because it's our time, guys. Go out there and make a difference in the world. Go out there and see how many people that we can help and change lives. Let's start with ourselves and help as many people as we can. And guys, you know what? As always, right? Go out there, do something good for somebody else in the space of knowing they can't repay you. Body, mind, and spirit, guys. Keep moving forward. Let your light shine, right? Let your light shine each and every day and be proud of what you do because you are making a difference. So I love you. I appreciate you. And we'll talk soon.